You're here today to see the top 12 zero carb foods. Okay guys, so we're looking at the 12 top zero carb foods. Why are we looking at the top 12 zero carb foods? Because we're looking at keto. Now, zero carb foods are again essential for the diet. They're usually whole foods, they're nutritious, they're tasty. It gives a lot of variety to your diet. Now don't let yourself think, oh, my diet's boring, I don't have variety. You have loads of variety. You just need to know what they are, and then you can prepare them each day, and it will make it so much easier on the psychology of the diet. Now, these zero carb foods are there, and not only do they, give you lots of, nutrient dense benefits, you're going to also have, plenty of fat and protein, and these are going to help with muscle mass as well. So each food I'm going to quickly go through. You're going to have 12 different types of food, and you'll know what to use for your keto diet or your low carb diet or your protein diet. So guys, here we go. So let's look at food number one. So food number one, we have steak or beef. It's zero carbs, guys. So why do we have beef? First of all, we know it's absolutely delicious and it works well with a little bit of butter. It's fantastic. Fry it up, delicious. Now, why is it good? Let's have a look here. Builds muscle, keeps you full, supports fat burning. So again, great for keto, low carb, paleo, high protein diets. Zero carbs refers to obviously it being not treated in any way. So added sugar, added sauces, negate those guys, push them out. Take it as the whole actual food, cut it up, fry it, lovely. Bit of butter, zero carbs still. Now, so you can see here, we all love a bit of steak. Let's have a look. Protein, essential for building and repairing muscles and tissues. Vitamin B12 supports energy production and healthy red blood cells. Zinc supports immune function, wound healing and protein synthesis. Iron supports red blood cells and energy, and selenium, quite rare to be found, powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells and supports thyroid function. So how you release energy, basically. So you have all this information, guys. You know why steak is number one. It's number one because everyone adores it. It's one of the best foods you can have. Usually, unfortunately, we have it with some chips and stuff on the side. We don't want none of that. We want pure, unadulterated, fantastic steak fried in butter. Job done. Now, we can see that obviously it's a fantastic food. Let's move on to zero carb food number two. So looking at the zero carb food here, we've got eggs. Now, we say eggs are pretty much zero carb. They do have a tiny bit of carb in them, but they're included because they're a fantastic superfood, and they are essential to have on a keto diet, protein diet, or any other diet where you want to have, pretty much effectively zero carbs. Now, when you look at eggs, why are they great? Oh, the complete protein. They give you all those amino acids that you need for your body. Okay. You're looking at those because obviously you can't get them or make them in your body, so you need to eat them, and that eggs give you them all. Now, you've got supports brain function. It's got choline in it. The choline helps make acetylcholine. It's a fantastic neurotransmitter in your brain. They satiate you. They're extremely filling, and we understand that again. Eggs are fantastic for a zero carb food. You've got your protein, choline, vitamin B12 and selenium. They're fantastic, guys. Okay guys, let's move on to zero carb food number three. Fish. So we can see fish, we've got it here. You've got different types of fish. Obviously here are the ones recommended: salmon, tuna, mackerel, cod, haddock, tilapia and sardines. Also, you can buy these quite conveniently in tins, some of them, and eat them. Oh, fantastic they are. Right guys, so why is it good? Great for heart, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support your heart health and reduce inflammation, boost brain function. Essential nutrients support brain health, memory and mood. Supports immune system, packed with vitamins and minerals that strengthen immunity. So guys, again, they're effective for keto. You have omega-3 in there, you've got protein, you've got vitamin D, and you've got vitamin B12. There you go. Number three, fish. Those fish mentioned there, I partially love. I love pretty much all of those there. They're all awesome, and you can enjoy them, again, maybe with a little bit of butter. So guys, moving on to zero carb food number four. So zero carb food number four, guys, turkey. So everyone loves turkey. We don't eat that as much in the UK, only when it comes around to Christmas. So again, you can eat it a lot more now. Every day could be Christmas with your turkey. So why is it good? It's lean protein, high quality protein, helps build and repair muscle, supports muscle growth, excellent source of protein to support lean muscle development. You've also got low in fat, naturally low in fat, and so if you want a break from having tons of fat, you can do that. I personally like to get my turkey and fry it in butter, add on some extra fat. So, absolutely delicious. Here we go. Protein, high in protein to support muscle growth and repair. You've got vitamin B3 niacin that supports energy production and healthy nervous system. You've got vitamin B6 that helps in protein metabolism and supports brain function. And again, selenium, powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and thyroid health. Very important there, guys. Good. Okay, so moving on to zero carb food number 5. So zero carb food number 5. Duck. So we all know duck is absolutely delicious. Here we go. Why is it good? It's rich and satisfying. Yes, you feel that satiation from it. It's high in healthy fats, so you can sit there and it's the whole benefits of energy, hormone production, and cell function. You've got supports your hormone health. Essential nutrients like zinc and B vitamins help support hormone balance. Now, there you go, you've got your lovely zero carb duck. It's got obviously it's protein, iron, vitamin B12 and zinc that are all going to help you and give you nutrients you need on a keto diet, a low carb diet, a protein diet. All of these, paleo, all of these, carnivore, they're going to help you guys. So fantastic. Now moving on to, okay, low carb food number 6. Here we go. We have prawns or shrimps. So prawns or shrimps, both of them are zero carb, and the main idea there is you can obviously change your diet, you change the flavor, you change what you're eating, it changes the psychology, it makes it better for you. Now this seafood is fantastic. Why is it good? Lean protein, protein low in calories, perfect for lean muscle and weight control. Low in calories. It's also good for metabolism. Why is it? Because it supports thyroid function, and you have things like iodine and selenium. And iodine is very important for your thyroid. You can get that also from seaweed. I advocate having a snack of seaweed every now and again for your thyroid. Now, key nutrients, you've got protein, you've got iodine, you've got selenium and vitamin B12. So again, a lovely, fantastic, conducive food for your keto diet. Now, moving on, zero carb food number 7. We have pork or bacon. So again, you got pork or bacon. You can get zero carb bacon, and pork itself should be zero. Why? Everyone knows we love a little bit of bacon, a little bit of pork. Now, what we have here, we have high in protein, excellent source of high quality protein to support muscle growth and repair. Always great when you're building muscle mass. It's very satisfying, feel full for longer, great source of energy. Yes, you got tons of energy coming there. So for your body and brain. And then looking over here, you got protein, essential for building and repairing muscles and tissues. You got vitamin B1, supports energy, metabolism and nerve function. You got selenium again, and you got zinc there again. And so obviously these are all conducive because you can rotate between them and they all overlap in fantastic nutrients. So here we go, guys. Zero carb food number 8. Number 8 is lamb. So everybody loves lamb. Zero carb, fantastic. Why do we go for lamb? A bit expensive really now these days, but absolutely delicious. Makes that psychological change to have a different thing, a different flavor, awesome. Rich in protein, supports red blood cells. You've got great for recovery. Lamb is awesome. Good clean meat. You've got here protein, iron, vitamin B12 and zinc. Why else would you want it? Hard cheese, not soft cheese, guys, hard cheese. Now, so zero carb or near zero carb, we've got a lot of different types of cheese. It's excellent protein, makes it fantastic to taste it, to melt it over things, melt it over your steak, absolutely delicious. Rich in calcium, a great one to have for an electrolyte, nutrient dense, you've got loads of nutrients in it. And what are those main points? We've got protein, great for your macros, calcium, electrolytes, vitamin B12, zinc and selenium. Awesome, guys, all giving you the nutrients you need to perform and function properly. Okay, guys, so now we want to go on to the number 10. So, okay, guys, zero carb food number 10 is chicken. So here we go. Chicken is obviously extremely versatile. You can do loads of things with it. You can eat it as it is. You can eat loads of different parts, wings, legs, you've got the thighs, you've got the breast, you've got the whole part of the chicken. You can make chicken soup. I mean, there's a whole range of things you can actually do with chicken. It's so versatile, it's fantastic. I like to chop it up and throw it into a salad. Absolutely delicious. Now, what we can see here is why is it good? It's excellent protein, it supports immune health, it's nutrient dense, and it fits perfectly into a keto diet. So, key nutrients, you've got protein, you've got niacin B3, okay, and that supports energy, metabolism, and brain function. You have vitamin B6, it helps convert food into energy and supports brain health. You have selenium, which is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and your thyroid. And then you have, again, zinc. So guys, we understand we've got these as well. That's chicken. Chicken is extremely fantastic, and again, it's zero carb. So zero carb food number 11. So here we go. Crab. So crab is a zero carb food. You probably didn't know that. If you didn't, yeah, you do now. So the whole point here is, why is it good? Crab, you can have it. It's an excellent protein source, rich in vitamins and minerals, supports heart health. So this is obviously seafood, and you know now you've got additionally, as well as prawns and shrimp, you've got crab as well. Zero carbs, you're not going to be impacted on your diet. You're not going to be impacted on your diet by these guys. So crab, there you go, full steam ahead. Why is it good for the diet? Key nutrients. Protein, essential for building your muscles, obviously. Vitamin B12 supports energy production and healthy red blood cells. You've got zinc in there, you've got selenium again, and you've got copper. And obviously copper supports iron absorption, energy production, and nerve function. So again, guys, you've got these fantastic foods are zero carb. They're great for all your diets, keto especially, and they're going to give you tons of these different nutrients. So always an advantage, guys, to make yourself rotate between them and make a balanced meal and make a balanced diet for your week. Now, here we go. So zero carb number 12. So zero carb number 12, we're moving on to that, and we have scallops. So now you can see again seafood. These are zero carb as well, and absolutely delicious. So why are they good? They're excellent in protein. High quality protein supports muscle growth as usual and repair. Rich in vitamins and minerals. They're packed with lots of minerals there, guys. We'll go through them in a sec. Supports heart health. Nutrient dense food. Excellent for this type of diet. You're getting all these nutrients, but you're getting zero carbs. Now, key nutrients. You've got your protein in there, okay? You've got vitamin B12. You've got zinc, selenium, and here we go, magnesium. So this is now giving you again another electrolyte there, which is going to be your number 3 most important electrolyte. Supports muscle and nerve functions, blood sugar control, and bone health. So you've got a whole mix in there. It's also an electrolyte, so you guys are going to get all the benefits that you need. And if you're not taking your supplements, this is going to be a fantastic source there for magnesium. So, okay guys, so that's the 12 zero carb foods that you should include on your diet. If you're looking for them, you're stuck for any ideas, there's 12 for your diet. You're now sorted to go out there and you can be a zero carb master. You're going to have a fantastic diet, and you're going to be able to see all the nutrients that you're going to get from them, and relax with having zero carbs added to your diet. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Thumbs up please, and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.